Hey everyone, it's James from Fun Foods, and today I'm going to show you how to cook bacon using an air fryer. So keep watching. So I'm starting off with this bacon right here. It's Oscar Mayer. The brand doesn't matter so much, but we're just going to use this. It's kind of thin cut bacon. So everyone's air fryer is a little bit different. Mine has this tray in here. Mine is quite small. Because the basket in my air fryer is small, I am going to cut the bacon in half. In general, you don't want to overlap things. It's okay if they touch a little bit because they will shrink during cooking. So I'm going to put about 4 pieces of bacon in here. It's about all that's going to fit in mine. Yours might be able to hold 5 or 6 pieces, full pieces, and this is just basically 2 half pieces. So we'll see how it works out. Put our lid on. Let's go up on the temperature. We'll make it 400. And the time we're going to go down to, we'll try 6 minutes and see how it turns out. And start. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes. Let's open this up and take a look and see if the bacon's nice and crispy. Nope. It's going to need a little more time. Let's just take a look. I'm going to flip these over while I have it open. So we're going to put it in there another 3 minutes just to see. We'll check back in 3 minutes. All right, it's been 3 more minutes and it's still not quite crispy enough for me. I'm going to put 2 more minutes, so that'll be a total of 11 minutes. So let's do that. All right, now it's been 11 minutes total. There we go. Maybe slightly overdone, but not too bad. That one's actually pretty good. These 2 small ones are right on the edge of being overdone. But this one's pretty good too. So 11 minutes at 400 degrees, that's how long it took for my air fryer to do it. Yours might be different just because it's a different brand. So do keep that in mind. I have seen people do it for 7 minutes at 400 degrees and it worked out fine. So you do have to play around with it a little bit and find the right temperature. But 400 degrees, 11 minutes for mine, and they work out perfect. Next, I'm gonna try out some candied bacon in an air fryer and see if that cooks well. I'm gonna put it at 400 degrees for 10 minutes because with the brown sugar on the bacon, it's going to cook a little faster. So just take some brown sugar, take a piece of bacon, and then rub the brown sugar on the bacon. I'm gonna do it on both sides. You don't have to do it on both sides, but why not? Rub it on there really good. Flip that piece of bacon. Put some more brown sugar on there. And the brown sugar is going to caramelize so that it cooks the bacon nice and juicy, and it's going to taste amazing. And I've never done this in air fryer, so we're going to see how it works out. Just put this in here and do the rest just like that. And our candy bacon is in there. Let's close this and we're going to put it at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. So our candied bacon has been in there for 10 minutes and looks a little burnt, but we'll try it out and see. This piece doesn't look too bad. Oh, that's not bad. This one just could be the lighting. Looks a little burnt. We're going to let these drain a bit and then we're going to taste them. And now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to try our bacon. Nice and crispy. Bacon is amazing. The bacon is good. It turned out fine, nice and crispy, just the way I like it. It only took 11 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, where if I cooked it in the oven, it would take 15 to 20 minutes for the same amount of time to cook the bacon. However, the number of pieces I could fit in my air fryer is really small, only a couple pieces. So I'd have to do multiple batches and it would end up taking me a lot longer. So I probably would just cook it in the oven if I was going to do it, just because of my situation. So now let's try out the candied bacon, because who doesn't like candied bacon, right? See how that one turned out. That's good. I love candied bacon. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me show you how to cook bacon in an air fryer. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. You get new videos all the time. And check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. I don't like how, start over. So it would end up taking me a lot more, no. So the bacon's good, but that was a long-winded thing. Watch me make, hey everyone.